Hello guys, welcome back to another vid. We are here back at the Magical Kingdom here in Walt Disney World. The new Rose Gold Castle there at the end of Main Street. We'll be heading down there later. But crowds don't seem too bad. Everyone just got here. It's currently 9:12. Not too busy. Here's a little bit of a closer shot of the castle before we head down Main Street. Crowd level's not too bad. Bunch of cast members down Main Street saying hello to everyone coming in, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. It looks like. And here we are. We're in front of Walt and Mickey here at the Magic Kingdom. The brand newly painted castle out in front. Still has not been finished completely, but it will be finished here soon. Here's a close-up look. And we're here over by the popcorn cart on Main Street. There are plenty of ducks still here walking around. There's one sleeping. There's a few more back here. Hanging out, staying cool, enjoying the crowdless feel of the Magic. As we walk into Fantasyland, you can see there's barely anyone back here. It's really just that front area that's super congested right now. Hopefully it can stay this way the rest of the day, but there is no one over here at all. Now it's time to ride Speedway here. First ride back to the Magic Kingdom. Not really a good driver. It's been a minute, but I'm doing okay. Not great, but I'm doing okay. Hopefully we can do better. Maybe on a second time later today. But maybe we can get a good look of Tron up here in a minute. We get around the corner. Since there's no one coming behind me, we can get a second to look and admire Tron up ahead. They have just finished the show building recently, and they have all this nice track and the boards up on the side of the building, which is a little bit better appearance from what it used to be. Also, one thing to note is that the People Mover has not been running at all throughout this. As you can see up there, the train's sitting up on the track. They were not running during the previews at all either, so not sure when it's going to reopen. Hopefully later today we can go on Splash Mountain, get a couple final rides, and get some of the special Splash Mountain plushes that are going crazy right now. Hopefully get our hands on some of those, since it doesn't seem like there are any anymore. So we're finally almost done with our journey here, or I mean our drive, not really journey. And first ride. Now it's time to take a ride on one of the first rides that this Carousel Progress has given since the reopening. Now that we are in the theater, I'm going to insert a few clips of the ride, but not spoil it completely for you guys, so those will be rolling here in a minute.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Sarsaparilla. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. We're drinking root beer now.
Dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll. Here goes. Temperature to 375.
Temperature increased to 375.
New York World's Fair. Please gather all of your personal belongings and exit through the doors located at the back of the theater.
As part of the socially distanced new character meet and greets, Buzz is here on the stage here in Tomorrowland, greeting guests. with socially distanced selfies. It's a brand new thing due to CDC guidelines. Now we're getting ready to ride Buzz real quick before we head over towards Pico's Bill for lunch and take a look at the Splash Mountain availability of merch and stuff. So,
Battle stations, part of the flight deck for immediate launch. USA and beyond.
we are now off Buzz. I did pretty well. I got 200,000. My dad got 400,000. Actually did pretty well considering I was videotaping. But definitely not my best. I've done a lot better. But yeah. Now off to Pico's Bill. We're now inside Pico's Bill where see at the condiment buffets there is nothing there. That is due to the virus and the spread of people touching each other's food and stuff. Also, after you place your mobile order outside, you come into a person, he will take you to your mobile order pickup station, and you will pick it up. There also is plexiglass at each register and at the here comes one of the mini parades that they do intermittently throughout the day. On this one they have the Three Caballeros and a few of the performers from Festival of Fantasy.
Times are so
We are now heading to Splash Mountain here. It's currently a 25-minute wait, not too bad, but one thing is definitely check the menus at each quick service restaurant as the tacos and at Pico's Bill are now gone, which was a favorite for us, but they're no longer available. So now we're getting ready to ride. Also, one thing to note is that the sprayers are currently off due to the virus and the spread of virus through water. You can see there's not that much water that comes up anymore as it used to. It's pretty mild, and right here you're not going to get soaked anymore, so pretty nice. That they are doing on Splash Mountain is implementing social distancing by having only one party per log and making sure those are sanitized in between each riders. Right now, Haunted Mansion says it's a 30-minute wait, but we actually just walked right up to the haunted room over here. But unfortunately the stretching room is not currently operational due to the amount of space available in the room. So yeah, hopefully this is a 5-10 minute wait, which we think it will be. In the stretching room, you can see it's just a queue that goes through.
Welcome, foolish mortals.
But you still have the guy doing his spiel.
Now, as they say,
Everything's stretched out already.
And we'll continue our little tour.
And yeah, we're already in the station area. There's not many people back here in the Fantasyland area by Seven Dwarfs. It's only a 30-minute wait. We're gonna go get in line. It's one of our final. The new social distancing methods is this plexiglass throughout the queue to keep people, keep the line moving and to keep people their distance. Also the interactive queue, like the water and the gems, those are temporarily turned off, so we'll just have to wait and see when those come back after this. Currently in the My Disney Experience app showing Seven Dwarfs is closed, but looks like we're gonna get on and before the storm comes, but hopefully it doesn't happen. Well guys, this is gonna wrap it up. We're gonna make one final ride of the trip, going to Pirates, and I'll insert some more clips of the ride, but you can also check out the video of Pirates soon after we post this video on our channel.
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone in a gangster's face. When he hears tell, 'tis only me what's got the
Yeah, we had a great day, and it's time to sign off from here in front of the castle at the Magic Kingdom. Have a magical day.